Good day, everyone. Specialty, sir. I am Godin Shubanyadis, and this is Group 5, Lesson 6, The Globalization of Religion. But before I start to discuss, let me introduce my members. First is Leah Palma, the second is Pagado Juliana, and the last is Angel Oroyan. For this video, I will discuss about the introduction and what is religion. Now let's proceed to introduction. Studying religion objectively can be difficult due to the people's strong attachment to their beliefs and practices, often leading them to reject different perspectives. According to Meredith McGarry, 1992, shared religion can significantly influence society. Dahil daw rito, ang pag-aaral ng relihiyon sa isang objektibong paraan ay isang hamon dahil maraming tao ang mga ay may malalim na emosyonal at kultural na pagkakabit sa kanilang paniniwala at mga gawain. Dahil dito, maaaring tumanggi sila sa pagtanggap ng ibang pananaw o kritikal ng pasusuri. According to sociologist Meredith McGarry, shared religion can also significantly influence society. Dahil daw rito, shared religion ay nakapekto sa pagkakakilanlan ng mga individual at kabuuang pamumuhay ng lipunan. O ano nga ba ang relihiyon o what is religion? Religion is often traced back to the Latin word religare, meaning to bind together. Cicero linked it to release, meaning to go through or over again in reading speech or thought. To bind together or religare, derived from re or again plus ligare to bind. This etymology emphasizes religion's role in uniting communities through shared beliefs, rituals, and obligations to divine authorities. Proponents like Lactantius argued it signifies binding oneself to God or higher power. Cicero himself acknowledged this interpretation but preferred the alternative. The other word, to release or religare. Cicero link religio to re again plus ligere to read, choose, or consider carefully. This suggests religion involves deep reflection on life's ultimate questions, such as the God's nature or moral obligations. The term initially lacked strict religious connotation, instead referring the broader social duties and cautious attention to duty. French sociologist Émile Durkheim defined religion as a unified system of beliefs and practices related to sacred things, forming a moral community called a church. His definition emphasizes that what is sacred in one culture may be profane in another. It means, for example, balaan ang sa kabutang sa pikas nga culture but giabusaran ra sa pikas pud nga culture. Like for the example, cows are sacred in the India but be slaughtered for food in the Philippines. Moreover, McQuarrie stated that all religions guide perceptions and action in natural and supernatural realms, providing emotionally satisfying explanations for life's meaning. Isinasaad ni McGarry na lahat ng relihiyon ay gumagabay sa mga pananaw at kilos sa likas at supernatural na mga larangan na nagbibigay ng nakapagbibigay kasiyahan sa emosyon na paliwanag sa kahulugan ng buhay. Tulad na lamang ng halimbawa na maaaring magkaroon ang mga sundalo ng magandang buhay sa langit dahil sa kanilang katapangan na nanatiling lumalaban sa ating bayan. In addition, religious symbols such as cross in Christianity, icons, sacred words, places, clothing, and food connect people to the spiritual realm. These symbols serve as bridges between the physical and spiritual realms, connecting individuals to their faith and beliefs. These symbols, imbued with profound meaning, evoke emotions and provide a tangible link to religious traditions, fostering unity, peace, and spiritual growth. Religious symbols are more than just a representation. They are powerful tools that facilitate a connection with the divine. They can be used to express fundamental religious concepts, inca- encapsulate stories of faith, and provide a sense of belongings within a religious community. Sociologist William Bainbridge and Rodney Stark proposed that religious groups exist because they offered individuals that they cannot find in the natural world. Unattainable rewards like immortality, which are presented as global, albeit supernatural, goods or compensators. These perspectives suggest that religion feels a need for meaning, purpose, and a sense of hope, particularly in the face of existential questions about life, purpose, and possibility of an afterlife. In conclusion, religion is a system of beliefs and practices that relate humanity to spirituality and transcendence, often involving faith in supernatural power or powers, along with associated rituals and moral codes. It provides frameworks for understanding the universe one place in it, on how to live meaningful in life.